This today, I would like to talk about values which we should inculcate to your children. Values to your children. I'm talking to the parents. In the other video, I talked about the earned lessons, but today I'm talking about values. There's a similarity, but it's not the same. One, it's important to instill the values of honesty. Honesty is very important in this life, and if you are honest, one day is going to bear dividends. Secondly, it's important to instill the value of respect. Tell your children to respect themselves, to respect their colleagues, to respect the old people, to respect significant others in the society. If they do that, they are likely not to end up being deviants or being criminals in later life. Tell your children education is very important. They may do well, but without education, they may not do very well. So it is very important for them to put a lot of effort in when it comes to education. Let them put a lot of effort and work hard to achieve much in education. Then there is the aspect of perseverance and resilience. Instill your children the values of perseverance and resilience, that you require to have patience, you require to have forbearance, even when you want to achieve a dream. Instill to them it is important to have tolerance so that in the final analysis you succeed. It's also important to instill to them the values of hard work, and then also it's important to instill to them the values of self-acceptance. They should accept themselves. They should not demean themselves. They should not think that they are nobody. They should not have low self-esteem. They should not be downgraded by even their colleagues, but they should have confidence. They should have confidence and not always apologizing even for what they are. So self-acceptance is very important, which is tied up with self-confidence. Instill to your children the values of generosity. It's important to be generous, not to be mean. Not always expect to be given, but also be ready to give to others. Teach your children the value of financial literacy, the importance of saving, the importance of budgeting, and the value of money. That money, you don't get it just on a silver platter. They have to work very hard in order to get that money. It's also important to teach your children the value of gratitude and appreciation. Teach your children to learn to say thank you. Teach your children to appreciate what other people have done to them, and they should not take things for granted. Thank you very much, parents. I hope you have learned something. Thank you, and have a great moment. Is your family therapist and relationship coach, Mutea Rukwaru. Thank you.